Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to create these super cute knitting nails. They are cozy, textured, and perfect for winter. Let's jump straight into it. The base of this nail should be 2 coats of the white gel nail polish. Cure between each coat. Mix solid nail glue with a dab of white nail gel polish. We are going to make patterns on the nail that resemble a knitting pattern. Apply the solid gel glue on the nail and then take a nail tool and create patterns. To make the design stand out, I have chosen to apply a few pearls here and there. On the nail, and then cure the nail. Finish the nail design by applying matte top coat, and cure the nail again for 60 seconds. On the next nail, I will paint the nail with a sheer pink color. I have chosen to place nail stickers that resemble knitting patterns. Try to press the nail stickers down neatly on the nail. Take a small dab of the solid gel glue and apply it to the nail. Then take a nail wood and make 4 holes so that it resembles a button. Cure the nail when you are done. Finish by applying matte top coat. I want a knitted hat that would be centered on the nail design itself. When I created this nail design, I really thought about how to create a hat with nail decoration, and then I got an idea. Did you think I did well or not? Feel free to leave your comment in the comment section. And that is the final look. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment what design you want next. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.